Okay, before you say anything, I know I look like a wet dog. I literally just stepped out of the shower, and there's a reason. We're going to be doing a product review, or more or less a device review. We're going to start with an unboxing, go through it. This is going to be the first time that I've messed with it, that I've honestly even taken it out of the box. So we're going to be in this together. Now, if you do like what I have to say about this device, I'll link it in the description box below. Let's get started. On this box, the hair dryer, the manufacturer is Confu. And here is a look at the box. Hopefully you can see that all right. Here's the back of the box with the specs. And I know you probably can't see the specs, so I'll go through and say what it has to say right now. So the front of the box, hair dryer Pro KF 8905. 1875W, and on the back it says Ionic Carol. Does this help? I don't know. It says Ionic generator, motor and fan balance adjustment technology. Motor and fan have been adjusted precisely by power balance to ensure their stability using comfortably. Whatever that means. That's kind of weird. Different speed and heat settings for easily control. I'm quite sure that's a typo. Easily control the heat and speed settings. Create the perfect style. Choose from multi-range heat and speed settings for precise drying and styling. And then right here it has protection system for overheating. Another typo right there. The thermostat gives additional protection for overheating. You can get the best carrying result in a caring and safe way with the same powerful airflow. And then on the bottom right here it says small holes design and removable back filter. So we'll be looking into that. The small holes design of grill is good to prevent involving hair. Protect the scalp better. Removable back filter make it easy cleaning and be more powerful. Okay, so that is that. Let's take it out of its box. So here is what the contents look like in the box. We have an attachment. Hopefully you can see this right here. So we have that attachment right here. And we have, whoa, let me get this out. Another attachment with, hopefully, I'm not sure if you can see these prongs or not. Maybe, I think you might be able to. So it has little prongs. Here's one right here. I don't know where this one goes. So there's that. Yeah. And box, there's instructions in the box, but we won't really look at those. We don't need that. And here is the dryer. Hopefully you can see this. So here is the blow dryer. The middle one is the speed setting, and the bottom button is the heat setting. We'll test it out right now. So we'll put it at, we're gonna do at the first speed, and I'm gonna test out the heats. All right, there is a substantial difference with the heat between the three modes. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna finish towel drying my beard, then I'm gonna grab a brush and the blow dryer and style. As far as the temperature, what I'm going to use is I'm going to use the middle setting because I don't wanna fry my beard. That was actually really quick. With the brush, I kind of puff out right at my jawline, because a lot of times, whether I'm sleeping on it, taking a nap on it, well, whatever the reason being, I have a little crease that goes right under the jaw. I'm not sure if you've experienced this, but one of the solutions I have to this problem is I use that brush, kind of pull it back out from under my chin, and then right now it makes it look really puffy. And I just go straight down with a brush as soon as I'm done pulling it out. That way it doesn't look too out of control. Going back over this hair dryer, this attachment right here, how we initially had this little piece right here, I thought it might have been something extra, but it actually broke off of this piece right here. Now, for me, I'm not ever going to use this. So yeah, for me, it's not really that big of a deal. But for those of you that may have been looking for something like this, that you probably might have been a little frustrated with that. But I mean, the other attachment, perfectly fine. Whoa. And that probably broke even more. No, we're still good. That being said, I have no idea how that broke off. Maybe it was in transit or whatnot, and I'm sure the company would take care of this if you let them know about it. But that's that. And the this other attachment, perfectly fine. And again, this is something that I wouldn't really have any use for. All right, going back to the assessment pertaining to the quality of the hairdryer, let's disregard the attachments, and I'm going to base this purely on the blow dryer itself. I'm going to give this an 8. I'm going to give it a solid 8. And again, this is my initial feedback on the blow dryer, being that I've used it one time. Literally, this is the first time that I pulled it out of the box and turned it on. That being said, I don't have any feedback in regard to durability and long-term use. So yeah, that's my review of this blow dryer. Manufacturer again is Confu. I'll leave a link to this item in the description box below. And as always, I hope that you found this helpful, perhaps intriguing, being that I look like a wet dog because I just got out of the shower. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace.